Hey there, welcome back to Growth Finance channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon, so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular topics out there: how to start a blog that actually makes money. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, this guide will cover everything you need to know from start to finish. So, let's get started. First things first, why should you start a blog? Blogging can be an incredibly rewarding venture. It allows you to share your passion, connect with like-minded individuals, and, yes, make money. Here are a few reasons why blogging is a great idea. 1. Share your passion. Blogging is an amazing way to share your passion with the world. Whether you're into cooking, travel, fashion, technology, or any other topic, your blog can become a platform where you express your ideas and creativity. Over time, your enthusiasm can attract a loyal audience who shares your interests. 2. Build an online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial. A blog helps you establish your personal brand and showcase your expertise. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or simply someone with a unique perspective, a blog can open doors to new opportunities, including job offers, collaborations, and speaking engagements. 3. Create passive income. One of the biggest attractions of blogging is the potential to create passive income. Once you set up your blog and start generating traffic, you can monetize it through various methods like affiliate marketing, ads, and sponsored posts. This means you can earn money even when you're not actively working on your blog. 4. Enhance your skills. Blogging isn't just about writing. It involves a range of skills, including content creation, SEO, marketing, and even basic web design. As you grow your blog, you'll find yourself learning and improving in these areas, which can be incredibly valuable both personally and professionally. 5. Potential for full-time income. Many successful bloggers have turned their passion into a full-time career. With dedication and the right strategies, your blog can generate significant income, allowing you to work from anywhere and enjoy the flexibility of being your own boss. Now that you're convinced blogging is worth it, let's move on to the next step. Choosing the right niche is crucial. It determines your blog's focus and the type of audience you'll attract. Here are some tips to help you choose a profitable niche. Let's dive deeper into how to choose the perfect niche for your blog. 1. Follow your passion. Start by considering what you're passionate about. Blogging requires a lot of time and effort, so it's important to choose a topic that genuinely interests you. When you're passionate about your niche, creating content becomes enjoyable rather than a chore. Think about your hobbies, interests, and areas of expertise. What do you love talking about or doing in your free time? 2. Research market demand. While passion is important, it's equally crucial to ensure there's an audience for your niche. Use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, and social media platforms to gauge the popularity of your potential topics. Look for niches with a steady or growing interest over time. For instance, if you love fitness, you might find a specific angle, like home workouts for busy professionals, that's currently trending. 3. Check competition. A bit of competition is a good sign that there's a market for your niche. But too much competition can make it hard to stand out. Research existing blogs in your potential niche. Analyze their strengths and weaknesses. Are there gaps in the content they provide? Can you offer a unique perspective or more valuable information? Finding a niche with moderate competition where you can still carve out your space is ideal. 4. Identify your unique angle. To stand out in a crowded niche, you need a unique angle. This could be your personal experience, a unique perspective, or specialized knowledge. For example, if your niche is travel, your unique angle could be budget travel for families, or luxury travel for solo adventurers. Think about what makes your approach different from others, and how you can provide value that others might not. A niche that's too broad can make it hard to stand out, while one that's too narrow might limit your audience. Find a balance that works for you. To summarize, choose something you're passionate about. Ensure there's market demand. Check out the competition and find your unique angle. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to selecting a profitable niche. Let's look at some examples of profitable niches to give you more inspiration. Health and fitness, travel, beauty and fashion, technology and gadgets, personal finance, food and recipes, personal development, DIY and crafts, parenting, sustainable living. These niches have proven to be popular and profitable. But remember, the key is to find your unique spin within these broad categories. Now that you have a solid understanding of how to choose your niche, let's move on to setting up your blog. Setting up your blog. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We'll break it down step by step. First, let's choose a blogging platform. There are several options, but we recommend WordPress because it's user-friendly and highly customizable. Here's how to get started. 1. Choose a blogging platform. WordPress.org is the best option if you're serious about blogging. It's free, open source, and used by millions of websites. Unlike WordPress.com, which has more restrictions, WordPress.org gives you complete control over your site. Go to WordPress.org and click on Get Started. You'll need to set up hosting and a domain name first, so let's move on to that step. 2. Register a domain name. Your domain name is your blog's address on the web. Choose something catchy, easy to remember, and relevant to your niche. Use a domain registrar like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Bluehost to search for and purchase your domain. 3. Select a hosting provider. Web hosting is where your blog lives on the internet. There are many hosting providers, but some popular and reliable ones include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. These providers offer easy WordPress installation, great customer support, and affordable plans. Sign up for a hosting plan with your chosen provider. Most will offer a free domain for the first year if you sign up for their hosting services. Follow the instructions to set up your account. 4. Install WordPress. After setting up your hosting, you'll need to install WordPress. Most hosting providers have a one-click installation process. Log into your hosting account, find the WordPress installer, and click Install. Follow the prompts to set up your WordPress site. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the setup process, most hosting providers have excellent customer support that can help you out. Don't hesitate to reach out to them for assistance. Now that WordPress is installed, your blog is live. A well-designed blog attracts readers and keeps them engaged. Here are some tips for creating a professional-looking blog. 1. Choose a theme. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes. Your theme determines the overall look and feel of your blog. When choosing a theme, consider factors like simplicity, responsiveness, and customization options. A clean, easy-to-navigate design will keep your readers coming back. 2. Customize your layout. After installing your theme, you'll want to customize it to make it uniquely yours. This includes adjusting the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Most themes come with a Customize option where you can make these changes. 3. Add essential plugins. Plugins are essential for adding functionality to your blog. There are thousands of plugins available for various purposes, such as SEO, security, and social media integration. Some must-have plugins for any blog include Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, Akismet for spam protection, and Jetpack for site performance and security. 4. Optimize for mobile. With a significant portion of web traffic coming from mobile devices, it's crucial that your blog is mobile-friendly. Most WordPress themes are responsive by default, but it's always a good idea to test your site on various devices to ensure it looks good and functions properly. A well-designed blog not only attracts visitors but also keeps them engaged. A clean, professional look, easy navigation, and mobile responsiveness are key elements to focus on. Remember, your blog's design should reflect your brand and make a good first impression on your readers. Designing your blog is an ongoing process. As you grow and evolve, so will your blog's design. Keep experimenting, get feedback from your audience, and don't be afraid to make changes. In the next segment, we'll dive into creating quality content that will keep your readers coming back for more. High-quality content attracts readers and keeps them coming back. Here's how to create content that resonates with your audience. 1. Know your audience. Understanding your audience is the foundation of creating compelling content. When you know who you're writing for, you can tailor your content to meet their needs and interests. Here's how you can get to know your audience better. 2. Plan your content. Now that you know your audience, it's time to plan and write engaging blog posts. Here's how to create content that captures attention and keeps readers coming back. 3. Write engaging posts. Creating engaging blog posts is crucial for capturing and retaining your audience's attention. Let's explore how to write posts that resonate with your readers and keep them coming back for more. Engaging blog posts combine compelling content, captivating headlines, and a personal touch. 4. Use visuals. Visuals are a powerful tool to enhance your blog posts and engage your readers. Let's explore how to effectively use visuals to make your content more appealing and informative. Start by understanding your audience's needs and preferences. Then, create a content calendar to plan your posts in advance. Consistency is key. Once your blog is up and running, the next step is to drive traffic. More visitors mean more opportunities to make money. Here are some effective strategies to boost your traffic. 1. SEO optimization. On-page SEO involves optimizing individual blog posts to rank higher in search engine results. Use relevant keywords naturally throughout your post, including in the title, headings, and meta descriptions. Ensure your images have alt text and use internal and external links to provide additional value to your readers. 2. Social media marketing. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Choose the platforms where your target audience is most active. For instance, if your blog is about personal finance, LinkedIn and Twitter might be more effective than Instagram. 3. Email marketing. Building an email list is crucial for driving traffic to your blog. Offer valuable incentives such as free ebooks, exclusive content, or discounts to encourage visitors to subscribe. 4. Guest posting. Identify popular blogs in your niche where you can contribute guest posts. Look for blogs with a large and engaged audience that aligns with your target readers. SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial for getting your blog noticed on search engines like Google. Learn the basics of SEO to improve your blog's visibility. Finally, let's talk about the most exciting part: making money from your blog. There are several ways to monetize your blog, and you can use multiple methods simultaneously. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Choose affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche and audience. Popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate. 2. Display ads. Display advertising involves placing ads on your blog and earning revenue based on clicks or impressions. Sign up for ad networks like Google Adsense, Media.net, or Ezoic to get started. 3. Sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are another way to monetize your blog. Reach out to brands and offer to create content that promotes their products or services in exchange for a fee. Highlight your blog's traffic, audience demographics, and engagement metrics to attract potential sponsors. 4. Selling products or services. Selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, and printables can be a profitable way to monetize your blog. Start by identifying your audience's needs and creating products that provide solutions to their problems. 5. Membership sites. Offering services related to your blog's niche can be a lucrative way to monetize your expertise. Examples include consulting, coaching, freelance writing, or graphic design. Highlight your experience and the value you can provide to potential clients. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. It's one of the easiest ways to start making money. To ensure your blog's success, you need to track your progress and continually grow. Use analytics tools to monitor your traffic, understand your audience, and refine your strategies. 1. Use Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that provides detailed insights into your blog's performance. Set it up to track key metrics such as page views, unique visitors, bounce rate, and session duration. 2. Engage with your audience. Set realistic short-term and long-term goals for your blog. Short-term goals might include increasing monthly traffic or email subscribers, while long-term goals could involve achieving a specific revenue target or launching a new product. 3. Update old content. Stay updated with the latest industry trends and news by following relevant blogs, podcasts, and social media accounts. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and adapt your strategies accordingly. 4. Network with other bloggers. Invest in your education by taking online courses, reading books, and participating in workshops. Continuously improving your skills will help you stay competitive and grow your blog. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that provides insights into your blog's performance. Use it to see which posts are performing well and where your traffic is coming from. And that's a wrap. Starting a blog that makes money is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and a lot of hard work. But with the right strategies, it's entirely possible. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with any questions you might have. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online and managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.